Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable to show alerts in itinerary in the TripIt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the safety button, and within this section look for the show alerts in itinerary button, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.